Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So for this video, we're going to learn how to host our own website using Google Cloud. And it's super simple and it's actually pretty much free. So you won't have to worry about paying anything unless you want to add more features later on. So let's go ahead and get that started. First things first, we're going to want to go to cloud.google.com. Which will then, don't forget to type the E. Let's go ahead and do that, and then we'll end up here. And then after that, we're gonna go to the solutions tab up here, which will have all this information that all these different types of solutions that we can use for our website. And then what we are looking for here is the web hosting solution. And if you can't find that here, that's not showing up for me here. Let's just go ahead and look up Google Cloud web hosting, and we will end up here. Just click that top one, and you will end up at this page. And now that we are here, we can check out all the information about Google hosting, web hosting. And you can see that if you don't have a domain or a website, you can use Google to secure your domain name and get a business email address, build your website without a code, and set up online ads. You can also deploy a dynamic website if you want. You can build, deploy, run, and operate a dynamic website, leveraging responsive web frameworks and familiar languages, using the database that Google has. And you can also check the pricing. Depending on the product that you end up choosing for your web hosting and your usage, your prices may vary, but there is a free option, so we don't have to worry too much about that right now. As for the use cases here, we can see that it can be great for blogs, simple websites, and for low to medium traffic. So it's kind of got a lot of ways that you can use this hosting service that they have for Google. So how is it actually going to work? What you're going to be working with most of the time is going to be through the compute engine, which is this. The compute engine is basically Google's secure and customizable compute service, which lets you create and run your virtual machines on Google's infrastructure. So basically that's what's going to be doing all the heavy lifting for your website. And on top of that, new customers get $300 in free credits to spend on Google Cloud. So there's also that benefit. And then all customers will get a general purpose machine or E2 micro instance per month for free. So there you go. It's free, and you will not be charged against your credits. So that's pretty great. And all the features that it also has. So here are the key features that it will have that you'll be able to choose from once you are making your virtual machine so that you can host your websites. So first one you're going to want to choose from is the general purpose workload. So this is the type of machine that they are offering. So there is the C3, E2, N2, N2D, and N1. So basically those are just the different types of CPUs that you can choose from that will run your virtual machine. And then you'll be able to choose the memory optimized machines, which basically holds your memory for your virtual machine. So there's M1, M2 for that. And then for the compute intensive workloads, it's the C2 or C2D. So those are the different ones that you can choose from. And there's just one for the applications and workloads. And then once you've picked all the different parts for your virtual machine, you're pretty much ready to go. Just make sure to boot your disk once so that you can get everything sorted out. And when you do that, you actually get options for the different servers. You can go through Debian, Rocky, Linux, SQL, and then of course make sure you select the right type of virtual machine for your hosting needs. So some of them, they're going to be general purpose, sometimes they're going to be workload, depends on the type of hosting that you're going to be doing. So For general purpose, you're going to want to choose these options. If you want a more workload optimized virtual machine, you want to select these. And then after you've done that, you get to choose your OS, and then your migration to Compute Engine. Basically, we'll be able to bring all your existing applications from your physical servers into the VMware, vSphere, Amazon EC2, or Azure VMs. So you'll be able to do all of that afterwards. Well, if you're also kind of overwhelmed by all these options, you don't have to worry too much, because they actually also have templates that you can choose from. So you don't have to kind of go through all of this if you're still just a beginner when it comes to hosting your own websites. So you'll get to have a bit of an easier time just picking the right template for you based on what you need specifically. And then after that, you're pretty much set to go. You can just link any kind of website that you want to your Google Cloud Console, and then you'll be able to get everything going. Then once you're all done with that, you'll be able to see all the different features that you can access through your virtual machine. So you'll get to see the workload manager, as well as the VM manager, as well as batch, which is fully managed by batch service, which then allows for jobs to be scheduled, queued, auto-scaled, and executed on Compute Engine instances. So that's quite helpful. It'll also allow you to go through the live migrations for VMs, confidential VMs, as well as sole tenant nodes. You have the custom machine types, preferred machine types as well. You can also spot VMs as well as instance groups, persistent disks. You'll get to see local SSD, GPU accelerators, TPU accelerators, as well as global load balancing. You'll get to have Linux and Windows support as well, which is very nice. And you'll have per second billing, commitment savings, container support, reservations, right sizing recommendations, as well as placement policy. So it's got a lot of features that you can acquire after you've set everything up on your VMs as well as your hosting site. As for the pricing, the Compute Engine pricing is based on per second usage of the machine types, persistent disks, and other resources that you select for your virtual machines. If you have a specific project in mind, use the pricing calculator to estimate the cost. So yeah, you'll be able to actually compute everything that you need to pay for. But for this one, it'll pretty much be free, since we won't really need to be paying for anything once everything is up and running. It even says here that all customers get a general purpose machine per month for free, which is not charged against your credit, so you don't really have to pay for anything. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you get to use the Google Cloud to host your websites for free. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, and if it was, make sure to like the video as well as subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below if I missed anything. And yeah, we'll see you again next time.